Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders. Guys, this is just a quick recap on what has been happening today in the market. So today we had a couple of news just when the US session opened. We had initial jobless claims which came out positive, which was supposed to give which has given the dollar a little bit of strength today, but it's given the dollar index strength. But I'll look at some opportunities right now. And then the GDP price index is the one that has been has is fell below the expectations, but not too much. But it's the one that is driving the dollar crazy in terms of what we're looking at on other major currency pairs. When we're seeing the dollar not gaining strength, especially against gold. So, and then there's GDP quarter on quarter, which is very, very important also, but it came out positive. So there's a mixture of feelings or mixture of results that we got here, but it's fine. What are we looking at now? So what we are looking at is what I call XAUUSD, which is gold. I'm going to look at gold and Nasdaq and then a couple of items right now. So you'll notice that on gold, we just gave out a buy signal. I just want to highlight why we gave out a buy signal on gold. So if you look on a 1 hour time frame on gold, uh, this market has broken out and is closing outside this structure that we are seeing here on Nasdaq. And obviously, this looked like more of a pennant. If you know a pennant, this one is a pennant in this particular case right here. So gold is expected to rally all the way up, even though it's playing around entry at the moment. My stop loss is very, very tight here. For whatever reason that might happen, I still want to be still, I don't want to lose more than what I can afford to lose in this particular case. And then I would like to look at USD CAD, which is one of the most important things that is happening, I think, right now. Cat, there is a beautiful channel that we are seeing here. It's a downwards channel, but now it looks like the market is breaking out, right? But there is a tendency, Cat has a tendency of breaking out and then come back into structure. So we have to look at this one very closely on a 1 hour time frame. If you look at a 1 hour time frame, we do have some stable resistance levels here, which do correspond with what we are seeing here. These are stable, but I would really love to sell USD CAD whenever it breaks out of this structure or break below these levels right here, so that I am going to be looking at something like this one if market fails to close and stay above in this particular case right here. And then we're going to go quickly and look at Nasdaq. So we've been sending a couple of hints on what Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq at the moment is below this support zone, which is a very significant zone that we've been looking at right here. This is 127 flat zone. If you go into a 1 hour time frame, that is where it's going to be very important for us to look at. Now we know that market is trying to close below these levels on a 4 hour time frame, right? So we want to catch at least an entry towards the downside here on a sell order. So that will be determined when markets come back to this level right here, and we would look at a rejection here, potentially looking at these moving averages. Will Nasdaq meet these moving averages? If it does meet these moving averages, then we are going to be potentially selling all the way down. Excuse, excuse. Selling all the way down, looking at Nasdaq here. Okay, cool stuff. And then what's more in the market? There is EURGBP. EURGBP. There is another EURGBP that I have, another setup that I have here on EURGBP, so that we look at it. So on EURGBP right now, market has been pushing down, and it has finally come down to these lower levels. On a 4 hour time frame, before I talk about this one, market broke out. Now we are looking to buy this particular setup, which is EURGBP in this particular case. So at the level where it is right now, it is at a 50% level, Fibonacci retracement level, which might still push further down. But I would wait. I'd really love to wait. In this particular case, I'd love to buy above the 38.2 because the 38.2 is going to be a significant signal that we are now going back to normal, or we're going back towards the top side. Okay, good stuff. That's some couple of trades that we are busy looking at. So yeah, so those are the couple of trades that we are currently looking at. There's also other opportunities in the market right now that we will further discuss on the group. Let now wherever you are right now, if you're looking for a one-on-one or something like that, if you are in International School of Traders student, I highlighted on the group that, hey guys, I have an open schedule. People have been booking. They say they wanna meet me one-on-one this coming weekend, and I have been allocating some time for you guys. But if you are not an International School of Traders student, please do consider subscribing to this channel. And also for our free content, I will leave out the description below this, or I'll leave a link on the description on this video. So do book with me, meet me one-on-one. There's also some amazing things happening here. We have a training in the next 5 days. So do book a one-on-one session with me. There's more things out there. If you're looking for a beginner's course, which is currently the one that is available, I will give it to you. And then if you are looking for an intermediate course, I will be sharing some information and next week on what's busy happening on that one, because it includes live one-on-one classes or face-to-face classes right there. So I'm also happy, guys, even though this is not an official announcement, I'm also happy that we finally have our have our office space, which is in Sentin on the 14th floor in Sentin. But do make an appointment before you come, because I'm not there on a daily basis. I go there only once a week, probably. So please do book with me, and then we are going to be having you in our office space. And then this is our phone number. Just give us a call, and then you can also give us a WhatsApp. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. See you on the other side of the withdrawals. It's your one and only Ngubeko Mtiene. Shalom. Okay. Yeah.